business cards. I can feel a cold air coming off of it. I don't know if it's from it being outside. It's been inside for about 2 hours. Definitely taped it up very well for when it was being shipped. Protective bubble wrap. I definitely feel coldness coming off of it. Wow. There's definitely an energy on this. I just got very lightheaded. Do you feel anything? Say yes or no. Yes? You have to say yes.
Yeah, I feel it.
Shipped directly to me. Now what I'm going to do is open this without having any barrier between myself and the object, which is something you normally shouldn't do. But the deal that I have is to open it without knowing exactly how it feels. This looks like a... Oh, it's another Salem board. I have a Salem board in my closet. I don't know if you can see it. It's in the back there. It's another Salem board. Oh. Planchette has a glass. You don't see that too often with these ones. See the glass? Usually these come out. See the original planchette. Put the box back together. Feel a cold air coming off of it. There's some markings on the back. I don't know if you can see them with this camera. Yeah, it's been used a lot. I know what you mean about the electric charge, because I can feel something every time I touch it. It's not like a zapping feeling, but it's more like a... Even with my hand above it this high, I can feel some type of energy coming from the inside of it. There's a name written on the box here. It says Athena. So I imagine that's who owned it last. If I do anything else with it, I will report back and make another video for you. Thanks a lot. Just to give you an idea of the boards that I have a few in my closet that are barricaded for certain reasons. But this is the one here. Notice how I put some things on top of it. Certain things that might help out if there's any negative energies on them. Here's my other Salem board here. I have this one here. It's not really conventional, but it's one of my favorite ones. It's a planchette for that. It's got felt on it. This is my old Salem board that I've had for a while. See, there's only a certain number that they made in actual Salem, Massachusetts. It's the hardest to find, and this one has a lot of markings on the back and burn marks. See. Here's the one that you sent me. It's colder than the other ones. That's why I think it's not a negative energy. I think it's some type of positive. Someone could use it as a portal. I know every single one of these is used as a conduit, but there's a reason why every single one of them that you see from Salem, they're easier to become portals because of where they come from. I had this sitting on top of it here. I'll tell you an explanation of what this is. Lorraine Warren and her daughter sent this to me when I was in the hospital at the beginning of this year. It's actually made out of one of her rosaries. I set that on top of the new ones when I get them because it has a lot of positive energy in it. That's pretty much it. If there's anything else that I do with this board, I will let you know.